So in this crypto.com tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy Ethereum with other cryptocurrency here on at crypto.com. So once you're on the crypto.com app, I want you to go to the home page here, go to the top left, press on buy, and then simply just type in Ethereum or start typing in Ethereum and press on Ethereum. So if you want to go ahead here and buy Ethereum with, like, let's just say Bitcoin or Dogecoin or whatever different coins or crypto that you have, make sure that crypto is selected. So it says cash for me right now. Go ahead and press on crypto. Now in this screen, you can actually buy Ethereum with a bunch of different Bitcoins. So there's Terra 2, there's Kronos, Bitcoin, Solana, etc. You can kind of scroll down, see the variety of different coins that you can use to buy Ethereum. So for example, if you wanted to use Bitcoin to buy Ethereum, you'd press on Bitcoin right here. It'll show you how much Bitcoin you have and what the conversion rate is. So if you wanted to buy a certain amount of Ethereum, it would show you how much Bitcoin that would cost, and if all looks good, you want to proceed with the transaction. Go to the bottom. For me, it's this blue bar where it says insufficient balance. That's where it would say buy. Press on that, and you can proceed that way with the transaction. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to buy Ethereum with other forms of cryptocurrency on crypto.com. Thanks again for watching, and hope this video helps.